Today, we rescued this forgotten street dog and gave him our 342-minute restoration process. First, the coat is digitally mapped. Matting density ranges from light compression to full surface locking. Rust-covered collar removed. Stress levels checked. Truss sequence initiated. 1 biscuit delivered. Water temperature stabilized at exactly 38.4 degrees. 52 drops of chamomile oil infused. 14 grams of mineral bath crystals dissolved. Patient lowered into recovery basin. Every knot is separated manually using our deep flow rinse extractor. After 127 minutes, debris removal.